Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Are you at your wits' end searching for batteries in every single drawer and cabinet in the house? Are you always unclear on what you're supposed to do with a used up battery once it's finished? Well, I have the solution to both of those problems. This battery box by the Better Battery Company. Not only is this box that it arrives in super cute, but this box is used to store all of your batteries. That's right, this comes with batteries included. You get AAA batteries, AA batteries, and 9-volt batteries. And then when you are done using a battery, instead of throwing it out, you put it back in the box upside down so you know that it's a used battery. But what are you supposed to do when all the batteries have been used up? This battery box came to you in a polyvinyl mailer. Well, how are you supposed to hold on to one of those mailers through an entire box of batteries? They included storage for the bag. So once your batteries have all been used up, simply put the used batteries into the mailer and send it. It will send back to the company where they will recycle and reuse the batteries. This is such a forward and positive way of thinking when it comes to batteries, and I hope you'll join me on my better battery journey. And that's my point of view.